This is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and make it into a PDF file on this device. So to begin with, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive application, which comes pre-installed with the system, so most probably you will not have to download any third-party or, well, any additional applications or tools. So in here, let me quickly remove the documents that I have here from previous sessions. So once the Google Drive app is launched, tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, choose the scan option, then grant Drive app with the camera permission, and after that, take the document that you wanted to scan and capture, or well, make a picture. So here is mine. Now I'll go ahead and take a photo. If you're satisfied with the result, you can just proceed by tapping at the OK button. Onwards, you can change the color scheme of your scan, rotate it like that, or crop it if needed. I'll trim off an extra edges and try to align my document a little better than the app automatically did. So something like that. Then once you're ready to save it, simply hit the save button. At the final menu over here. You can rename the document if you want to, or perhaps change the location that this file will be saved to as well, and then hit the save button one last time. Wait for your file to get uploaded to Drive. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.